Does your electronic medical record system remind you of the 90s? For all the wrong reasons? Most were designed back then, and not much has changed since. That was a fun era, but these days, people could probably do without all the rollerblades, boy bands, and dial-up internet. Likewise, most therapists would gladly do without the slow, clunky, and cumbersome nature of the 90s EMR technology. That's still with us today. At Innova, we decided to build a better EMR system. So we started by letting a bunch of therapists get bossy with our engineers. And fortunately, no one got hurt in the process. They told us what they hated about their EMR system, so we could build one they would love. We talked to rehab operators too, and they got pretty excited. Okay, maybe not this excited, but they were definitely enthusiastic. A lot of them even wanted to help us with the project, and some even invested. Why? Because we understand that post-acute rehabilitation is changing fast, but electronic medical record software hasn't. You might be wondering why other companies haven't used this approach, and that's probably because they didn't want to dedicate the time and money it takes to start with a clean slate. But we did. By starting at the beginning, we were able to create a more streamlined workflow with less clicking and scrolling, fewer fillable fields, and none of the manual workarounds required with today's software. We also made the system smarter and more powerful through innovation, and a lot of late nights. Therapist and patient scheduling now takes minutes instead of hours. New facility onboarding done in a jiffy instead of days. There's also faster point-of-care documentation and more progressive outcomes tracking. Plus, our dashboards provide all the information therapists and operators need at a glance to quickly manage the health of their patients and their business. By listening to the people who actually use EMR software, we've made some dramatic improvements. Some people say it's the future of EMR, and that's really great. But we also want to help therapists spend more time doing what they love, treating patients and getting them back on their feet. Introducing Innova's Intelligent Clinical Ops, easier EMR, and a stronger clinical practice. Powerfully simple.